Slovenia is known for its passion for cryptocurrencies. People built monuments to crypto symbols here, and we even have a city center called BTC. That's a funny coincidence, but in reality, lots of experts are raised here who develop and believe in blockchain technology as the future cornerstone of tomorrow's economy. The world of cybersecurity is always evolving. Attackers never rest, and in today's world of e-commerce, incidents of personal data breaches, intellectual data theft, ransomware attacks, and cryptocurrency theft are more and more common. We are reading about different kinds of hacks on almost a daily basis. For example, Coincheck suffered an attack in 2018 that exceeded $534 million. The big question, is it safe? Yes. But can it be safe for certain? Yes. With the help of information security experts at SIQ Ljubljana, the biggest team in the region who work tirelessly to keep up to date with the most recent exploits, vulnerabilities and attack vectors. They perform extensive testing for their clients to highlight potentially vulnerable elements of their system. More than 150 clients trusted them in the previous year. Cryptocurrency started in 2008 when Satoshi Nakamoto introduced the Bitcoin. After that, Vitalik Buterin arrived with Ethereum and the possibility of smart contracts, which is a code written in Solidity language, saying what the blockchain technology does, what to call and what to send. Then ICO was born, where you can buy tokens instead of shares, followed by STO, a safer version, and then the latest trend, IEO. Crypto investment technology is becoming more and more developed. But one fact remains the same: if a developer makes a mistake in the smart contract, the code can be hacked. Check out the recent list of hacks that have taken place in the crypto world. Somebody finds a hole and they exploit it and run away with about $150 million. Whoops! So, if you are planning on making your own cryptocurrency, it is good to double check with a team of professionals. From the code world, back to the real one. Maybe Satoshi Nakamoto is Slovenian. Whoops, wrong decryption. Door to door, peer to peer. I'm here with Dan Rolic, who is CEO of the Eligma company, which is blasting its way into cryptocurrency world. Mr. Dejan, do you think that cryptocurrency is the next stage of human economics?
It's a definitely difficult question to answer. But I believe it's an alternative solution. So you see, the financial world it's quite a complex thing when you start to understand it, and cryptocurrency layer would be even more complicated for the human being or for mainstream people to understand how it works. So what I believe in is that it's going to be a layer of alternatives where people will be able to control their own money and of course have all the benefits out of it, but it's going to take quite a while to adopt to the whole world and to the mainstream. But yes, it's going to definitely change and help the financial industry as an alternative solution.
In your experience, how important is the preparation stage, the testing stage of your projects? What are its main benefits?
The preparation is crucial. So we did a lot of projects, and the preparation is the main layer of everything. So when the testing comes and when we start preparing the product for the main launch, everything needs to be perfect. Everything needs to be secure, and everything needs to be checked. So SIQ is helping us with the whole, when we are bringing down the project, when we want to launch it, when we want to be 100% sure the thing is bulletproof, we do it with them, and it's working for now.
What was the most beneficial thing SIQ did for your company?
SIQ is for us the layer where we come from a dream to a reality, So when we work with the SIQ, we give them something and we want to ask them, so did we do it right? Now you do your thing and just hack us, show us your power. And I know it sounds silly, but if you have a partner like this on the other side, you are just more calm. You did everything you could, and when you launch something for the people where we work with the finances of others, we did everything we could to protect these people and our users.
Which segment is most important at the SIQ? Is that auditing the smart contracts, checking your cybersecurity standards?
We have our own cybersecurity team over here. So their whole thing is to educate our staff. With SAQ, it was all about the next step, like try to do everything you can to find our gaps. Don't like find the gaps before somebody else find them. And it was not about only auditing the smart contracts. It was about checking the whole app's mobile backend, the whole thing, the whole infrastructure, everything. They just double checked everything they could, everything we gave them actually. I think we should actually work even more with them, but you have a limited time, so you're continuously developing and you're launching every week something new, and there is where you make mistakes.
Thank you, Mr. Dejan, for your chain of answers.
To error is very much in the human domain. Not to forget that we all live in the early days of blockchain, and at the dawn, many bugs can occur. Some of the bugs can develop into beautiful butterflies of crypto kittens, others just to create great experiences. To reduce the pain of experiences, SAQ team will test code line by line, audit the smart contract, know the vulnerability, so you can be calm about your and investors' future. If you like science, how things work and how they are tested, don't forget to click subscribe with the bell aside for more cool videos. Thank you for watching. See you!